We are discussing the different organ systems of our body. What do you mean by organ systems? When one or more organ come together for a specific function of a body, right? So organs, a group of organs, they work together, they function together for a particular function of a body, right? So that is called an organ system. So we have discussed the skeletal system, that is made up of bones, which protects the internal organs, which forms our body shape and structure. Then muscular system, made up of all the muscles of our body, it helps in the movement of different parts of our body. Digestive system, which helps in the digestion or the breakdown of food in our body. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, intestine, large and small intestine, anus make up our digestive system. So the next organ system is the respiratory system. As you can see in the figure here, so the respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. So nose, windpipe and lungs together form our respiratory system. We all know that we need to breathe in air, right? We all breathe air in order to live. Why we breathe air? To get the oxygen from the air. We all know that air consists of oxygen. So we breathe air so that we get oxygen in our body, because oxygen is required or needed by the body. So we breathe in air containing the oxygen that is needed by the body. So the air which we breathe through our nose, okay, we breathe the air through our nose, that is called the inhaled air. That is called the inhaled air, okay. And this air then goes down the windpipe. So we breathe in air from the nose, which goes through the windpipe and reaches the lungs, okay. So this is the windpipe and this is the lungs. So the air we breathe, it goes through the windpipe and into the lungs. Now this air, after going into the lungs, again comes back, which we need to breathe out, okay, because we are taking in air for oxygen. So once we take in air, it reaches here, oxygen is taken here, then carbon dioxide is produced, which is a waste, okay. So this carbon dioxide needs to be breathed out. So that breathe out is called the exhaled air. The air that we breathe out is called the exhaled air, and the air that we breathe in, that we take in, is called the inhaled air. So we take in oxygen from the air and then we breathe out the air which contains carbon dioxide, which is a waste, okay, and that needs to be removed. So we breathe in air called the inhaled air, we take up the oxygen and we breathe out air which is called the exhaled air, which has the carbon dioxide, which is waste product, okay. And our respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs.